Hi there folks, and welcome to the Word Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 29. So Christmas is coming up, and there's been a report in the news this week that a basket of Christmas food has increased 14% on last year. And according to this research, the cost of feeding a person a Christmas dinner last year was £9.50. So how much, if there's been a rise of 14% in Christmas food, would it cost to feed a person this year? So first things first, we've got to work out how much the cost has risen by. So we need to work out 14% of £9.50. Loads of ways you can do it. Divide it by 100 times it by 14. Do 14 divided by 100 times £9.50, or just do 0.14 times £9.50. Either way you do it, you're going to get an answer of £1.33, which means that the 2016 cost of feeding a person a Christmas dinner will be £9.50. Add £1.33, which comes to £10.83. So fingers crossed that charge of £10.83 won't count as one of your presents. Okay, so on to the next story. So contestant caught by chaser due to a lack of numeracy. So somebody was getting chased by the chaser in the quiz show The Chase on ITV, and the final question was this: what is the length of the Statue of Liberty's nose? So is it 4 feet 6 inches, 14 feet 6 inches, or 40 feet 6 inches? So which of the answers would you have chosen? So the correct answer was, of course, 4 feet 6 inches. So a tall man would be 6 foot something. So the Statue of Liberty's nose isn't going to be the height of two men, for goodness sake. Now, the woman actually went for 40 feet 6 inches. The most ridiculous answer that we could have gone for. I mean, that's basically saying that the Statue of Liberty in total is about the height of Mount Everest. So anyway, we have to estimate the height of the Statue of Liberty from her heel, which is down here, to the top of her head, which is up here. So in feet and inches first of all. So the answer is 111 feet 6 inches. And in metres is going to be 34 metres. So I wonder if any of you get close to that, or indeed guessed the right answer. If you did, that's just absolutely fantastic. Okay, so story number 3, we've got a weather story. So it's the sunniest November since records began, with 65.8 hours of sunshine recorded in Scotland by the Met Office, in contrast to the 30-year average of 45.8 hours. So on average, how many extra minutes of sunshine is this per day? So one of these birthday questions with lots of calculations. So we can work out the number of extra hours first of all. So that's going to be 20 extra hours this month, so for the month of November. So obviously, to find out how much per day, we could divide this by 30, because there's 30 days in November. The problem with that is it's going to work out as a nasty decimal. So what we could do at this stage is we could change this to minutes first. So to change hours into minutes, we times by 60. That gives us 1,200 minutes. So we can work out how many extra minutes per day on average by dividing by 30, as I said, because 30 days has November. So this gives us an average of 40 minutes extra sunshine per day. It was lovely. Obviously, it seems like December is going to be a bit rainier, unfortunately. Okay, our last story, I'm a Celebrity, Just Goat Mathematical. So basically the task we had is we had to arrange the goats in order with operation signs so that we end up with 25 at the end. But we've got to use all the goats, and there'll be one operation sign that we don't use. So the solution is 28 add 30, which of course gives us 58, and we're going to take away 3 times 11, because obviously because of BODMAS, we would do 3 times 11 first, which is 33, and we said that this is 58, and 58 take away 33 gives us that magic total of 25, so I wonder if you got that. Anyway, that concludes our Word Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 29. Hope you found that useful. Stay tuned for next week's issue, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.